How to add a custom audio file in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page. This is where most of your timeline work happens. Make sure your media pool is visible. If it's not, just click the media pool button in the upper left. Next, locate your custom audio file on your computer. You can either drag and drop it directly into the media pool or right click inside the media pool and select Import Media. Navigate to the audio file you want to use, click it and press open. Once your audio file appears in the media pool, drag it down into your timeline. You can place it on any audio track, such as audio 1 or audio 2, depending on how you want it layered. If there's already audio in your timeline, make sure you position your custom audio without overlapping anything unless that's your intention. You can adjust the length of the audio by dragging the edges or cut it using the blade tool if you only need a portion of it. For better control, zoom into the timeline using the slider at the bottom so you can align the audio precisely with your video. Finally, to fine-tune the volume, click on the audio clip and look at the Inspector tab on the top right. If the inspector isn't open, click the Inspector button. From here, you can adjust volume, pitch, and even add audio effects. And that's it. Now you know how to add a custom audio file in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.